modernized elevator left. You can hear them in the shaft. These are going to be Gen 2s with a snap cap. Mellar. The phone with the ketchup packet. These are originally Haughton. This is all Otis. Beautiful elevators. There's your indicator. There are your buttons. These are 2 lockout keys, which for 24, 25. An 1,800 pound capacity. There used to be a car station right here, which they took out. There will be a picture somewhere on the screen right now of that car station. Okay. Here on 9. Guess decide to take the steps. These are becoming Compass Plus. We'll watch the button go out, and then we'll get in a modernized elevator. Here on the door. Look, these are becoming Compass Plus. This one is in the process of a mod. Compass panels going there. Original hall button, which still work, but that's it. This is a modernized car in the lawyer's building. So much smoother. These are originally Haughton. They are in the process of a mod right now. These are actually overhead drive Gen 2s. And trust me, they're a whole lot smoother. You're on 25.
25th floor.
Now this is all Otis's level, so I gotta be quick up here. Hopefully a car and there's no thing there. Basement 1. Elevator C. I was hoping that wasn't gonna happen. One of the old car lanterns. Which is pretty neat. We don't want that elevator. I'm going to pause until this elevator comes. Elevator B or C has arrived. Haughton. This is the snap cab. Snap cab. Stopping on 18. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good. There you go.
Yeah, thank you.
We'll end it down on basement 1.
Basement floor.
And it's dark down here. Yep. They're modding that. And that's it.